Good morning, futures traders. It is August 10th, Wednesday, 2022. The time is 9:14, getting started. Got them all on right now. Gonna let them roll. See what we can make for the day. Okay, here, let's see the market analyzer.
Order filled.
There we go. Oil.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Come on, hit that target.
Order canceled.
Come on, get back up there. 78, 79, 80, 83, 84. There, girl. 81, 82, 79. You're not cooperating. Come on.
Order canceled.
There, we hit on both. See if we can get a runner.
Order canceled.
Going 94s.
Order canceled.
There. 5,000. 6,000. That was quick. That was quick. Let's see here. What time was it? 9:18. So that was a few minutes. So we made 135 in commissions, 2,800, so roughly 27. 26 really. 85,000 for the month. ES didn't go off any. We caught some movement here. And that was 244. So we're roughly 5,000 still. And the monthly total was 158,000. Do it every day. So I would say that's a good day right out of the gate. So, all right. Thanks for watching. And I'll keep making the videos.